Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, June 21st, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full down analysis. So on gold versus the dollar, I still think it's so extremely clear this is a wave 1, a wave 2, and a wave 3 on the monthly. I definitely don't even think the wave 3 is over, and most wave 3s do go to the 161.8% Fibonacci extension of wave 1 projected out the bottom of wave 2. So I'm definitely very bullish. I think it's going up to around the 25.50 area before we have a wave 4 and a wave 5. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, and this is where I see a wave 1, this is where I see a wave 2. This is most likely all just subdivisions of a wave 3. Maybe it is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 getting ready to form of a wave 3. Like I said, the 161 right around the 25.50 area is my likely target for this move up. So going down to the daily time frame, I mean, we've had a couple different scenarios on this, but I still think this is more likely an ABC correction to this last wave up. Definitely looks like an ABC, definitely making pretty impulsive moves up. We are at the 78%, which is normally an area of resistance, whether it could trend up or not. Maybe we will get a pullback now, but I think it's more likely it will continue to make those higher highs and higher lows. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame, like I said, the 78% is normally an area of resistance, so I think there is a pretty good chance that it could go down today. Maybe it'll just make another ABC correction lasting, a couple days and then continue the uptrend. Maybe this really is an ABC correction and it will continue the downtrend. Either way, if it really does turn, if it really does break structure, you could look for shorts and then you could learn whether it turns into an ABC and then continues up or whether it turns into a 1, 2, 3 and just makes a nice downtrend ending a wave C. So either way, let's head down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we're right at the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement. Normally, this is an area of resistance. Whether it trends or not from there is a different question. I personally would still be looking for longs. I mean, it doesn't necessarily have to go down and break this structure. It could possibly just make a little push down and keep on making higher highs, higher lows. If it does go down, if it does break structure, then that would tell you you're either looking at a wave A or a wave 1. Then you can look at the pullback for either a wave B or a wave 2. Then you could look for a move to the downside for a wave C or a wave 3. And then you could hopefully learn and earn at the same time whether this is a 1, 2, 3 or an ABC. But for me, that only applies if we have a break of structure to the downside, which so far we definitely don't have. The only reason I think that it is possible it may go down and do that is because we are sitting at the 78% Fibonacci retracement level. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.